Hi guys, it's Melissa Ogilevitz with Rovithis Realty. I'm here at my newest listing. It's 46 Cislak Drive in Ludlow, Massachusetts. Let's go check it out. Welcome home to this timeless, newer construction Colonial set on a manicured acre lot in Ludlow's most sought-after neighborhood. With almost 3,400 square feet, 4 beds, and 3.5 baths, you'll find space for it all. The main floor with vaulted ceilings showcases a remarkable open floor plan between kitchen, dining, and living rooms. With an abundance of cabinet space, preparing your home-cooked meals will feel effortless with your new gas cooktop and double ovens. You'll fall in love with entertaining at the custom 7-foot center island with quartz countertops, while the gas fireplace crackles in the next room. An oversized master bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite makes for the perfect escape after a long day, while a second bedroom suite makes for an ideal guest retreat. The 3-bay garage and shed allows more than enough room for storage space, while the walkout basement provides even more room to grow. Hope you guys enjoyed your tour of 46 Cislak Drive here in Ludlow, Massachusetts. If you have any questions on this property, give me a call at the number below.